Welcome back my YouTube family. I'm your instructor. My name is Rashid and today we are going to dive into another fascinating chart type in Tableau. As you know, we have been learning about different charts one by one and today's focus is on rounded bar charts. So what's a rounded bar chart and why we should learn this? Well, a rounded bar chart is just like your regular bar chart but with a twist. The bars have rounded edges. This small visual change can make your chart look a lot more polished and visually appealing, which is a great when you are presenting data to the clients or the stakeholders. Now let's take a look at the chart on the screen. Here you can see several bars, each representing a different brand like Britannia, Parle-G and Super. The length of each bar shows the value associated with each brand. The longer the bar, the higher the sales. On the left side you can see a list of brands. These are the categories of our bars. Each brand sales data is represented by a bar and making it easy to compare them at a glance. The bars themselves are colored in a gradient form, light to dark blue, which adds a nice visual effect. The lighter shade represent low sales and as the value increases, the color gets darker. You can see this color gradient in the color legend on the right side of the chart. Now notice the horizontal axis at the bottom. It's labeled value, means sales, which represent the sales number for each brand. As number increases as you move to the right side, showing how much each brand has sold.
So let's first drag the brand onto the rows. Then from here I will be selecting this entire view. Then I'm going to select sales onto the columns. What you see now, this is the standard bar chart, and now from here I'm going to sort it from largest to smallest. Instead of having these regular straight bars, we want to make them rounded at both ends. To do this, we will create a dummy value by using average. Now we need to combine this dummy value with our sales data on the same axis. So I will press Ctrl from my keyboard and I will drag it on this axis. With the combined axis setup, let's change the chart type. Go to the marks section and switch this to line chart. Then I will drop this measure name on the path. Then I'm going to size and I will increase the size. For a nice visual effect, drag the measure, this sales measure, on the color. I will press Ctrl from my keyboard and I will drag it on the color. Now this is giving a nice visual effect. You have created a rounded bar chart in Tableau.
So this is all with reference to this episode. Make sure to give us this video a thumbs up if you found this video helpful, and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out our next episode where we will be exploring more Tableau charts. Until then, and keep learning Tableau, and I will see you in the next episode of this incredible playlist.